Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shudders or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version, so open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down and click at the update firmware, and of course you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot change it. You cannot check it, sorry. Now, if you haven't, just install a new one, but if it didn't help you or you haven't new updates, let's move to the step 2, and step 2 is to disable spatial audio. To do this, right here at the main menu, we should go to audio effects. Then at the top we have dimensional audio, so click on it, and we need to disable it. So disable immersive sound, and it may fix your problem also. Also, we need to disable dual connection, because it make also connection instability. To do this, you need to go to additional settings at the main menu, and right here at the third line we have dual connection. Click on it to disable it, and we did it. Now, the last option is perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the lid. At the bottom we have connection button, and you need to press and hold this connection button until this light flashed red 3 times. Firstly, it entered to prank mode and start blinking white. Don't worry, just keep holding this button. One, 2, and 3. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to remove these earbuds from the phone and then add it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds, and forget this device, then forget device. If you have Android, after that click pair new device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we don't need to use connection button, just tap on it at the device list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!